Hey you guys, this is our Friday daily grammar practice 3. So on our Friday, if we look in the speaker notes, we are just going to be diagramming the subject and the predicate in our sentence. And we're still working with that same sentence, do not touch the colorful wings, or excuse me, don't touch the colorful wings. So we are just diagramming the subject and the predicate. We don't need to worry about all the different words. If you look at your big scary packet on day 4, the first bullet point says we're going to put the subject or subjects on the left side of the plus sign, and we'll put the verbs on the right side of the plus sign. So if we look down here, we only really have to diagram the words do and touch. And do and not are separated here because they are different parts of speech. We couldn't necessarily include don't up here because don't is a combination of do and not is not a verb, it is an adverb, okay? So that's why it's on its own little separate slanty line here. It is modifying the word do. So if we look back at our Monday notes real quick, what are our verbs? Our verbs are do from the word don't and touch. And just a refresher, we put the verbs on the right side of the plus sign. So if we look at our Friday, we're going to move do up here. Oop. Let's arrange that and send it bring to the front. Let's do the same thing with this before. This will all be fixed on y'all's. Okay, so our verbs go on the right side of the plus sign. Now we need to ask ourselves, what was our subject in this sentence? This one was tricky. It was that understood subject, because when we speak to somebody or we give them a command like this sentence, this imperative sentence, they understand that they are the person who is supposed to follow that command because you're speaking to them. You don't necessarily need to say their name. Just because you're looking at them and speaking to them, they understand that they are the subject performing the verb. So if we recall from Tuesday, our subject was that understood you. Remember how we put that in the parentheses? Okay. So we're going to move that to the left side of our plus sign because our subject or subjects go on the left side. All right, be sure you share your responses with me, and we'll do more DGP next week. All right, you guys have a good one. Bye.